Assalamualaikum dear viewers. Today's reading is about what would be your like with them. Okay, there are two piles like ever, and which one you are attracted most to choose that one. I am going towards the pile number one. Okay, those who choose the pile number one with this silver colored motorcycle keychain, your first card is Hangman, that is upside down or in the reverse position. That means that you are now going to see the perspective at the right side, or you are going to know the truth of any situation, the clarity over some situation, and you are now able to decide wisely. You are a wiser person now, that you can decide anything, and you are good plan maker, and you are now in a good direction, right direction. Okay, and with this death card upside down, I think something is not going to change with this handman upside down, that you want to change something, you want to make something, and now when you know the right thing, what is right, what is wrong, now you are not you don't want to make this change now. Okay, because you know the truth, you have the clarity, and that's why you don't want to have any change in your life. Okay, with this six of cups upside down, you are still not happy with your past, and you don't want anyone to come over from your past. No one from your past life, nothing. You are not happy with that situation, you are angry with those people, those are in your past, they have done to you something, and you are not happy with them. And with this chariot card, you don't want any change now, you don't want any change, you don't want to be move forward, you don't want to I think any kind of change, you don't want any change in your life now. And with this 10 of wands, now with this situation, with this no change, with this nothing happened at this time, with this looking at the perspective with the right side, you are over here, you are stressless now, right now you are stressless, you have no burden in your mind, you have no worry to think about. Okay, now you are stressless, and you are not waiting for anybody, you have no wait, you have to do no wait for anybody. This situation is ending over here, that maybe you at the past you are waiting for somebody, and I think that they will come to you, or you know that they will never come to you, and you are not anymore waiting for them. Okay, and with this five of cups, you are still weeping about something, you are still crying over some situation is not as you think that is, and or you think that you want to do something, and that is not going to happen, and you are weeping up over that situation, you want that thing to be happen, or or somebody had betrayed you, and you are not happy over that situation also, and you are thinking, why is this happened to me always, why I am the only one. Okay, with this six of pentacles, there is some situation, I think you are not helping someone, or you are not charitying over here, charity work, not doing any charity work over here, and this is not the 50-50 situation over here with this card upside down. One person is doing a lot, and the other is doing nothing over here. And with this 10 of cups, definitely you want to leave your lover, you want to separate from your life partner, you are not happy in this situation, this is not a happy home life, and you want to get out of here, or you don't want to heal this situation. With this high priestess card, you are the most intelligent person, you are the wiser person, and with this owl, I think You can see in the darkness of night. You can see clearly. You can seek out the truth from any person, and even they are telling you about that or not. Okay, and you're a wiser person. You know what is good and what is bad for you. And with this temperance card, you are not waiting for anything. You have no patience in your mind. You don't want to heal this situation. You want to end this up only, and you don't want to heal this situation. And you are not waiting for anybody. You are not going to wait. You are not being patient. You want to do it now. Okay, 9 of swords upside down. Now you have no nightmares, no stress over your mind, no nothing, no burden, no sleepless nights. You are peace. You have peace in your life now, and you are feeling easy with this. It's okay to you. Okay, page of wands. Now with this card, you are thinking about someone else person, some other person, and with love, with passion, and you think that person is good for you. They are, I think there is a age gap between you and them, and you think that that person is good for you. They love you, or they will love you, they will care about you, and you want to meet them, you want to have them in your life. With this 7 of Pentacles, you had sow some seed in the soil, and you are not getting the profit out of it, or any fruit from this tree. And now you are disheartened over that situation. You don't want this situation to keep it with you. You don't want this situation anymore. And with this Queen of Cups, this person, I think there is 2 Scorpio, and with this Queen of Cups, I think this person is also Scorpio, and this person, they don't love you anymore. I think your life partner, your wife or mother or somebody, is not in love with you anymore, and they don't want to live with you. And there is no restrictions between both of you, and you don't want to punish each other. You want to end this situation, or maybe you want to take it as it is. You don't want to end it, you don't want to take it with you. You want as it is going. Okay, soulmate, they are your soulmate. Yes, this is your soulmate. Yes, definitely they are your soulmate. You are mirroring each other, you are alike to each other. Your habits, your thinkings, your way to do anything, you are same. And with this Scorpio energy, this person, maybe this is for you or this is for your person, and I think that okay, I think that that person, the Scorpio person, loves everybody, and they can do anything for them. But whenever they got angry with them, or they think that they are betraying them, or doing something bad to them, they want the revenge from them. They don't care even who they are, if they love them or not. They only want the revenge. If somebody tell them that you are wrong over here, this is not good, then they, or you are very cruel, or you are very strict to this situation, then they want to show them that how strict they will, how cold-blooded they are. Okay, with this Scorpio energy, the poison dart. Okay, if they are when they are angry, or when they are in their dark side, they can see the worst side of the situation and always have eye on others weakness. They are having the eyes on the other weakness, and they are telling you that you are doing that, you are doing this, and you are not capable of that, and you are not capable of this. They get use of these weakness on time while they enjoying the process very much. They are enjoying that process. They're telling you that you can't do this, you can't do that, you are the person uh, that do nothing in their life, and okay, and they enjoy that situation. They are enjoying that how you taking these words, how are you reacting towards them. You are angry, and you are shouting, you are crying, your face, your expressions, they are enjoying that. They are very cold-blooded at that time. They don't believe on strength, whereas they enjoy school hunt. Yes, they not believe in the strength. They not believe in to do anything with their hands. They only just want to sting anybody, or to uh, uh, to kill anybody by their words. If you can understand that. Very thin, singular pointed head, scary. Okay. Okay, they are very cunning and dangerous. Okay. And with this, they have 8, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, you see they have 8 legs, or hands, whatever you can say, and this is 8 number. This is for 8 pointed star is for your fortune. They have their fortune with them, with their words, with their keen words, with their wittiness. They had their fortune with them, and with this 8 number, they are very stubborn, very stubborn over taking a revenge from someone. That person is very keen and cruel and cunning, dangerous. Be aware of that person. If you are that person, the others have to be aware of this, and if this is your person, then you have to be aware of that, because this person is very keen, very witty. Okay, you have to be aware of that person. You have to be careful, and be at a distance with that person. Okay, with dried flower fairy, sweet memories, you have no sweet memories there with that person. You don't want them in your life, or you don't want to do anything about this situation, because you are stuck over here. Because of some situation, you are stuck over here. You can't go away from them, you can't live with them, and you want the situation as it is. Okay, keep it going. Okay, this is the situation for you. Okay, I want to take some cards, the conversation between two of them. What is it? Okay, with this card we can make it possible. I think this is you who can say that we can make it possible. And do you want me in your life? They are asking you, do you want me in your life? I have someone else. They are telling you that they have someone else, also someone else in their life, and this is all because of you. You are telling them that whatever the situation is at that time, after your marriage or something, and you are telling them this is all because of you. Whatever is going on is all because of you. You destroy my life. You are telling them you destroy my life. You make me like miserable person. Accept this. They are telling you that accept this, whatever this is, this situation. They are telling you that accept this. This is the truth. This is the reality. And with the other card, I think this will happen in some few days. They are telling you that something is going to happen in few days. Yes, then please do something. Okay, you are asking them do something to make it good, I don't want to listen anybody. They are telling you that they don't want to listen anybody, that they are not happy with this situation, or you are telling them that you don't want to listen to them. I will never forget you. They are telling you they will never forget you. They always you are always in their mind, and this will never end. This situation will never end. This will go as it is. There is lots of thought that this situation will not change. This will go as it is, and you have to take this as it is going on. Build me a home. They are telling you, build me a home. I want a home. Build me a home. Okay. With this other card, I am your greatest enemy. Now they are telling you they are your greatest enemy with this Scorpio energy. I am waiting for you. You are telling them you are waiting for them, and you want their love, you want them back in your life. Don't listen to them. You are telling them don't listen to anybody, other body. They are not good for you. I am using you. They are telling you they are using you for their aim, for their own happiness, their own goodness, and I will forgive you. You are telling them that you will forgive them. Rather they are using you, but you are going to forgive them because you are in love with them. And with this other card, I am missing you. Yes, you are missing them. This will maybe vice versa. They will miss you, and you are not going to miss them because of their energies they have done to you in the past time. And somebody is missing with here. Somebody separation. Somebody want the separation over here. Look at me and be happy. I think you are telling them that look at me and be happy. Don't think about the separation, but they want a separation. My heart is broken. They are telling you that their heart is broken. They are not happy at this time. Okay, with this other card, you are the one for me. You are telling them that you are the one for me. I don't let you go. I won't let you go. I want to marry you. In some situation you are not married with them and you want them in your life, and yes, definitely, because this is the reading before marriage, and you want them in your life, and universe will bring you back to me, and you are very hopeful that the universe will bring them back to you. Okay, I am listening to your cries. You are I think they are telling you that they are listening to your cries. Don't do it again. And you are telling them don't do it again, don't leave me again, don't do this to me, don't break my heart. And with this other card, what is it? It is let me go. They are telling you let me go, please. I don't want to live with you. I am a Scorpio, so I want to sting you. I don't want you anymore. I want to tell you something. And now you are telling them that you want to tell them something. You are in my place. Yes, at the bottom of the deck, this is a truth. Okay, at the bottom of the deck, they are telling you this is the truth, this is the ending, and this situation is not going anywhere. Don't come follow them, don't come towards them. They don't want you in your life, or maybe you don't want them in your life. Okay, take it as resonate, and like, share, subscribe. I hope you like it. Please, if you want to know more about this situation, then please go and watch my previous readings. And if you want to watch my new readings, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you can get my upcoming readings, new readings, and you surely can get something from there, some advice, something over there. And with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye. I'm going towards the pile number 2. those who choose the pile number 2, your reading is, your first card is Page of Pentacle in reverse position. You are attracted towards something, you are thinking about something, maybe you want to start a new job or business, or maybe you are attracted towards some person and you want to do something, you want to begin something with them, and that is not going to happen over here at this moment, at this time, or after your marriage with that person, that particular person, nothing is going forward, you are stuck over something. And with this King of Wands, this person is not going to take care of you, this person is not happy with you, this person is not giving their love to you, maybe they are just attracted towards your appearance and they don't love you what you are, they are not giving you anything, they are not sharing with you anything, and that's why you are stuck over here. They are not as brave to come towards you. They need some kind of clearance or some kind of guidance. Okay, Three of Cups. This card is also upside down or in a reverse position. So they are not happy with this situation. This is the happiness card, this is the marriage card, this is the party card, this is the birth card, and this is upside down. They are not happy with this situation, they are not happy with this marriage. Yes, they are not happy with you, they don't want you in their life. Okay, they are mourning, they are crying over here, they are thinking about the bad things. And with this Eight of Swords, with this card, I think some kind of rules are going to break, or your rules are going to broken, and what is this? Okay, and you are no more restricted to something. You are free to do anything, you are free to leave that person, you are, and they are free to leave you. And I think you are not anymore in a pain, you are not restricted, you can do anything, you are a free person over here. And with this Five of Wands, you have the battle with them, you have the fight with them, conversation with them. They are fighting with you, definitely. They are the King of Wands upside down, they are fighting with you, they don't want you, they don't love you, they are just fighting with you. Why do you come to my life? I don't want you, get out of my life, something like that. Okay, with this Death card, but you are not restricted towards them, but you are restricted towards something. There is not something is not going to happen over here, something is stuck over here, something is not changing, and because of your past life relationship. Six of Cups, maybe your father, mother, your father-in-law, they are a friend with each other, or they are the relatives, and you don't want them to cry over this situation, to sad about your situation. Yes, you don't want them to be unhappy. That's why you are not changing anything over here, you are not finishing this relationship over here. Four of Swords, with this Four of Swords, I think this is the spiritual or physical death of somebody, or something is going to become in form. Maybe you are making some choice over here, you are not happy in this situation anymore. Two of Cups, you want this relationship, or maybe this relationship is going towards the better time. You both are coming together, you both are sharing with each other your desires, your thoughts, your whatever you have in your life. But you both have no temperance, no patience in your mind. You don't want to heal this situation, you are tired of it. Healing family issues. Your love life benefits as you forgive your parents. Okay. For you, for you both, you have to forgive your parents. I think that this marriage is going because of happening because of your parents. They are force you to do it, and now you are not happy with them, you are not talking to them, and that's why they are that's why this card is over here, that you have to forgive your parents because they want to do something good for you, but you two are not made for each other. You two are not taking this as it has to be. You both have to compromise with each other. You have to come towards each other, love each other, and you are not doing it. That's not mean that they are not they are not right, they are wrong. You are the wrong persons. You are not, because you are now in each other's relationship. You have to come towards each other, love each other, think about each other, think about your responsibilities. Okay, this will happen. This you are going towards your transition, and you are over here, you are going to change something over here, and you definitely coming towards each other, you two. And with this turtle situation, with this turtle, I think with this turtle you are coming towards each other step by step, slow and steady, and you are going to win each other's heart. But this will take a time, and you have no patience. You have to be patient over here, patience over here, but you have no patience. You want this now. And turtle, okay, you have the burden with this shell. You have the burden over your head or over your back. Okay, you want to take over that burden. Okay, and with this bear is not as wise, but they are a good protector of their loved ones. I think that person is not that wise, but they are a protector of their loved ones. If they are going to love you, they are going to protect you with any matter. They are good lover. They are going to love you, and they have the heart in their hands. Yes, they are coming towards you. Accept that love. Okay, and with this what is this? Out trick or treat. We are here, and I think with this card there is no help from universe, no nothing. You have to do it on your own. You both have to do it on your own. There is no help from from nobody. Nobody can do nothing over here. Else you both are, you both have to do something. Now I am going to pull some more cards for you, and my question is the conversation between both of you. Now these are the cards for you. The first card is, think this will happen in some a few months. Okay, ठीक है. They're thinking that this will happen in some few days. When you are going to ask them, when will this going to happen? When will you come towards me? When will you love me? And they are telling you this will happen in few months. Okay, I think this will happen in a month. And yes, they are telling you they're thinking that in a few months or maybe in a month. Yes, they are coming towards you. Love me like you do. Okay, this is a song, and you are asking them to love me like you do. Okay, accept it. You are telling them that accept it, that we are in relationship now. We are husband wife now. May I come back? Yes, they are asking you, may I come back? This is your soulmate. The universe is telling you that you both are each other's soulmate. Goodbye. Someone of you telling other goodbye. I can do anything for you. Okay, with this card, when they are telling you or you are telling them that I am going, now they are going to change. They think, oh, they are going to leave me. What can I do without them? Okay, then they tell you, I can do anything for you. Don't go anywhere. Will you sacrifice for me? Now you are asking them, will you sacrifice for me? I will surely feel or make you happy. They are telling you that they will surely make you or feel you happy. My brother is not agreed. In this situation, someone, maybe your brother or their brother, are not agree with this situation. That's why they are whispering in their ears. They are telling them that you are not good for them, or your brother is telling you that they are not good for them, and you are listening to them. That's why this relationship is not going anywhere. Don't do it again. Okay, they are telling you that don't do it again. Don't listen to anybody. The person who is listening to somebody else, their life partner is telling them, don't do this again and let me go. Somebody of you are telling that let me go. Maybe you are telling them to let me go. This is over now. This is over now. With this, I want revenge. You are telling them, I want revenge. I am listening your cries. They are telling you, I am listening to your cries. The universe will bring you back to me. They are telling you, universe surely will bring back to you. I want to marry you. Maybe this relationship once end, and then once again you are going to remarry that person. Look at me and be happy. Okay, I am using you. Somebody is telling you, maybe they are telling you that they are using you, or you are telling you that you are using them. Don't listen to them. Hidden desires. Somebody had hidden desires towards you. Maybe that person, your brother, had hidden desires to you. They want to destroy your life or something. I can sacrifice everything for you. They are telling you, you destroy my life. You are telling them, and I love you. They are telling you, that person is good for you. Come towards them, or you are good for them. They have to come towards you. And this is a situation for now, today. And please like, share, subscribe. If you want to know more about your situation, then please go and watch my previous videos, or you can see my upcoming videos. For that, you have to subscribe and press the bell icon, so you can get my new videos with lots of love, with lots of good wishes. Bye.